Children, good afternoon, children. In the last class, children, I sent one video and event one also the same. Grow in friendship. One old man is going to admit in the hospital. Other old man coming to see him every day. But those who admitted in the hospital, no, he could not recognize other old man. Memory power is lost. So he could not recognize other old man. They are both the children grow good friends. They grow in from the childhood onwards, they are good friends. But he could not recognize the friend. Come to the event 2 now. I sent one video. Have a look, children. It was a battlefield. What was the meaning of battlefield? There is a war between two countries. There is a war between two countries. And the battle was at its peak. Peak means top, point, mountain top. There is a battle where, children, the peak, mountain top. Among the soldiers, there were two friends. One of them got injured during the battle. See here, there were two friends, children, and both were soldiers. And among one friend got injured during the battle. The other wanted to visit him. But children, he can't go directly to see his friend, wounded friend. He can't go and see him over there. He has to ask the permission with the higher officer, otherwise commander. And you to the same, children, if you are in the school, you want to go in the afternoon. And what are you doing at the time? You have to ask the permission with the HM. Then only you are going to home. Otherwise you are not going. Isn't it? The same here also, children. Here he has to ask the permission with the higher officer, otherwise the commander. He sought the permission of his higher officer. The higher officer permitted him to visit with a warning that he might lose his life. See here. With the warning that he might lose his life. Hence, he advised him not to go to the battlefield. Look at here. Look at this one. He is going to die. That he might lose his life. Other friend is, he might going to die. He advised him not to go to the battlefield. He advised him, don't go to the battlefield. But he said, I should go. Why he said like that? Because he want to see his friend. He already wounded, children. And condition is critical. So he told, I should go. As he walked towards his friend who was lying on the ground, he too was shot. But he managed to reach his friend and embraced him. Look at here, children. While he was walking towards his friend, he saw his friend is lying on the ground. He too was shot and he got also bullet fire. He also got bullet fire. But he tried to manage and reach his friend over there. And he embraced him, hugging. He went and embraced him. And his friend told him before his last breath, I knew you will come. What he said at the last breath? He said at the last breath, I knew you will come. Look at his friend wordings, children. What we are doing at that time. I'm not well. Please admit in the hospital. Our wordings, see, and look at his wordings. I knew you will come to see me. What a beautiful wordings. What a beautiful wordings, children. This is the perfect example for friendship. Last class also I told children, if you want to make the friendship, you have to keep the friendship forever. Not for 1 or 2 days. Okay? Yes, children. Take care, children. Next class, I will give the notes. Take care and bye-bye.